Hey there, welcome back to Ideal 3D Projects. Ever seen a simple tool change the way that you work out? Well, I 3D printed this exercise wedge. And trust me, you're gonna want one. This little wedge is a game changer. Whether if you want to stretch or improve mobility, this wedge will work for both. It makes a real difference, just this simple wedge. And the best part is, I 3D printed it myself. I designed this with stability, durability, and comfort in mind. Don't forget about the grippy surface. Got just the right angle too. I used TPE on the Ender 5 Pro. This Ender 5 Pro has a upgraded Sprite extruder that I used to be able to print this TPE. I added TPE after I got done using PLA Plus for the wedge. Printing this took about 15 hours, and it used about half a spool of filament. Imagine customizing your own workout gear at home.
Here we have the wedge. The wedge is really sweet to end up doing a lot of exercises with. One of them I like to do are toe touches. Another one is just stretching the calves out. You can grab both of these for that. You can even try bending a little bit here just to loosen stuff up. Flip them around. And then do your squats here. Pick up your weight, do squats as well. And then if you needed some deeper stretches, you can do your lunges one-legged as well, and it really works for these. So, you want to 3D print your gym? Here's one wedge that could end up making you be able to 3D print your gym. Check them out.
That's the power of 3D printing. So, what do you think? Will you print your own wedge for fitness? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more. Here at Ideal 3D Projects, bringing your ideas to 3D reality. Thanks.